Targeting the customer's needs, EETO Laser bring you a brand new FGT series, a fast, safe, versatile, and durable cutting solution. Laser power ranges from 12 kilowatts to 30 kilowatts. Can cut mild steel up to 80 millimeters, stainless steel 100 millimeters, aluminum 60 millimeters, copper 20 millimeters. Applicable for steel structure, pressure vessels, shipbuilding, machinery equipment, bridge construction, etc. It equipped with countersunk cutting technology, which saves the following drilling process and greatly improved fabrication efficiency. Beveling cutting is also one of the important features. The machine body can be extended as long as 24 meters, and multiply gantry at customer's need. 0.8 g acceleration speed can output more parts. Modular platform stops heating, transmitting, and easy to change. Partitioned exhaust system helps clean working zone. Light curtain protects your machine and staff from injury.